Today on Ron's Keto Cafe, Chaffles for Life, episode number 27. We're making Chaffle waffles, delicious Chaffle waffles. That's a mouthful. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 to 4 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And we're using the Choc Zero today. And what I did with this is I had a really bad taste for a sweet tooth this morning, so I took a couple of tablespoons of that powdered confection at Swerve, and then I put some maple syrup right over the top of it, and they just came out really good. So we're gonna just keep going right into the recipe, and from this point on, you're just gonna have music, and I came back and I talked about it at the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hi guys, so this is just a follow-up to the video you just watched. This is what I just made. I made 3 little Chaffles, and I think I'm gonna call these waffle Chaffles or something like that. Anyways, so after I made the Chaffles, what I did was I put a little bit of powdered sugar on the top and a little bit of more Choc Zero. Doesn't it look good? I suppose you want me to try it now, huh? Really good. My gosh. So, if you got like a sweet tooth in the afternoon or any time of day, these are great. Look at that. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be watching for some more amazing videos. And I'm going to clean up, finish up the my breakfast, and have an amazing day. We'll see you on the next one.